It's a wonderful day today. We have an Almond Joy no-bake pie. It is a coconut flavored no-bake pie. I like calling it an Almond Joy. It is a recipe we came up with ourselves. We're going to be using cream cheese, powdered sugar, Cool Whip, coconut. I'm going to use a little bit of Hershey's syrup on top for a little decoration, and we have some almonds, and in case we need it along the way, some coconut extract, that is. So to kick off this recipe, we are taking 1 block of cream cheese. Y'all should have guessed it, I love cream cheese. 8 ounces. And we are also going to take about 1 cup of sugar, powdered sugar, and add them together in the mixing bowl. And grab this wonderful handheld mixer I got right here and whip it up until it's very creamy. Okay, we got that whipped up. Now we're going to open our 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. And we're going to add it in also. And how is everybody doing today? I hope very wonderful. We're also going to take 1.5 cups of coconut. It's coconut flakes. You could chop it up a little bit more if you like. Oh, smell that coconut flavor. I don't think we'll need any of that coconut extract. Now we're going to try this and just see if I want to add a little bit of that coconut extract. I don't quite remember. I think I want to add a little bit more, or a little bit. Not more, I ain't added any yet. It's probably good. Don't take much on that stuff. I'm just going to hand mix that together. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna take this chocolate graham cracker crust I forgot to mention earlier. We're gonna scoop this filling into it and smooth it out. I have been hooked on Almond Joys here lately. One reason I decided to make it. Plus too, you can look up and I found like 3 no-bake Almond Joy Pies, and all of them, I'm sorry to whoever made them, but they did not look good. So now I'll smooth this out. Remember, it's a good time right now to hit that subscribe button down below, hit that like button, help us out. But most of all, drop us a comment. We love hearing from all our viewers. Even if you're having a bad day and need to talk about it, I don't care. We just enjoy knowing that there's actually somebody out there watching our videos, and that we're putting these out for a reason. I'm gonna play with this a little bit longer and get it very, very pretty. And then I'll let you see us put the almonds and the chocolate on. And I just found an extra tub of Cool Whip in the fridge, so I'm gonna pretty up the top of it a little bit more. Here is a little trick, if I can get it through it. For filling icing into the bags. Tell me that is not a neat little trick right there. I'm always trying to learn new things like this right here that helps out. So if you have any, let me know. And I'll pass them along to everybody else. Man, that's the cleanest I've ever done that. I'm so proud of myself. I'm sorry. Ooh, that came out fast. I just take any chance I can at playing around with decorating items. Even if it's just a pie. Need to find me some more tips also. Okay, now I'm going to take some of these almonds right here. They're sliced almonds. My hands are clean. It'd be easier to spread them out doing it by hand. I said it would. This is about a tablespoon and a half. Yeah, you don't need much. Just whatever you feel like putting on.